I will never switch from ClickFunnels. Tell me if you've heard somebody say this or even maybe heard it from me, because that was me not too long ago. But today I want to show you guys why I've decided to make the switch and join 43,000 other online marketers, online entrepreneurs who have made the switch from a program like ClickFunnels, like Builderall, over to this new exciting program. What's up, guys? I'm Josh Smith, aka the Dadtreprenewer, and here on the channel I'm all about helping you guys make more money so you can spend time with your family, live a life of health and freedom, go out there, do the things that you want to do. And that's right, today's video is all about why I have decided to make the switch and move on from ClickFunnels in my marketing. Now, first thing is, I want to go out there, I want to give a disclaimer first. I love Russell Brunson, I love ClickFunnels, I love the program. But guys, I gotta think about who I am at the core. And the more people I've been able to help lately, the more feedback I've been getting, right? And two programs that I've always used are ClickFunnels and SendLane, right? And what I've been told is that both of these programs, well, they're just kind of expensive for beginners who are just trying to get their feet wet, who are trying to learn affiliate marketing, who are trying to learn online business. So I've been racking my brain figuring out how I can help you guys better. And honestly, the best way I can do that is by providing you guys with some quality software that you can use that functions very similar to the ones that I've been using over the past 4 years in my journey as an online marketer, and just be able to get you guys up and running faster with something that's a little bit more or a little cheaper is what I want to say. The software is not cheap by any means, but again, when we're talking about the affiliate marketing business model and when I'm trying to help you guys out with this stuff, right? What do I say all the time? People with limited time and limited resources. It is the best business model. Now, I want to give you guys software that you can go out there and that can go along with the MO of limited time and limited resources. Because let's be honest, if you're in the 9-to-5 grind right now and you're trying to escape and you're trying to start an online business, sorry, just got a little distracted. We got a horse up there in toy jail for my kids. Got a little distracted. I just noticed it. We're not even going to cut that one out. Again, these videos go mainly unedited. But again, when I'm thinking about you guys, right, the best way that I can help you, right, is to understand that you have limited resources. I get it, right? You're trying to escape the 9-to-5 grind. You're trying to not spend a ton of money. With that being said, when you're learning, especially the affiliate marketing business model, and when you're in the online space, creating digital products, coaching and consulting, whatever it is, understand that you will have to spend some money along the way, right? Like we all get that. We all understand that. You can't run a business for nothing. You just can't. But you know what? I found a funnel building software. I've been playing around with it. I got signed up for an account, and guess what? It is completely free to you all. Some of you might have guessed this by now, but let me go ahead. Let's bring it up, and I'll show you guys what I'm switching to. You might have guessed it, GrooveFunnels, right? Why? Because GrooveFunnels is an all-encompassing funnel building, right? So you get the benefits of ClickFunnels. If you're a digital creator, you can go out there, you can create websites, you can create your own digital courses, you can create your own coaching programs, you can build all of that right inside of GrooveFunnels. Maybe you're a course creator who wants to have your own affiliate program and have affiliates promote your course. You can do that inside of the Groove platform. So again, GrooveFunnels, it is completely free. Right now, it's a very limited time thing. They're kind of in beta phase. They've been in beta phase. They've been testing different things, playing around with different things, getting a ton of community feedback, just rebuilding, and getting it going. And you can see there's people switching left and right. And look at this, guys. Again, this is everything that you are going to get with your free account, right? Look at this. Compared to ClickFunnels, you're paying almost $3,500 a year at that $97 per month price point. You get it for free with Groove Pages, right? Again, Samcart, that's like a selling platform if you're a course creator, right? Another $2,500 a month. Like, look at all this stuff, guys. GrooveCart. Compare that to Shopify for all you e-commerce people out there, right? You are getting all of this stuff included in your free account. You're a coach, you're a consultant, right? You need a calendar app. you're getting that in all of this, right? Again, potential things that you could possibly need in your online business cost you up to almost $20,000 a year. You get it all free for GrooveFunnels right now. And again, over 4,300 new members have switched, guys. And here's one of the main things, right? This is not a sales pitch for GrooveFunnels because obviously it is a free account. Now, that being said, they have an absolutely amazing opportunity right now. Their program down the road, by the end of the year, there's going to be a price tag on it per month, just like any other software. But right now, it is completely free. And they have a free lifetime upgrade offer where you can actually upgrade for a one-time fee to get all of this stuff. The entire encompassing, of your online business, potential things that you could need, it's all there for a one-time fee. So that means there will be no monthly fees for the rest of your life to run your online business, or at least the funnel building aspect if you are an affiliate marketer. So it's an amazing opportunity that they got going on right now. But here is the thing, guys, right? When we're doing affiliate marketing, one of the things that we always like to talk about, right, is multiple streams of income and creating more revenue, right? Creating multiple streams of income from doing the work one time. Here is the cool thing that the GrooveFunnels platform gives you, right? If you become an affiliate for them and you start using their product, you fall in love with it, and you start promoting it to your audience along with whatever offers that you have, right? You teach them how to build their funnels on GrooveFunnels. They are going to start giving out, when they put a price tag on it, right? You will get 40% commission. And here's the cool part, right? Like, yes, 40% commission, that's not unheard of, right? Like ClickFunnels gets you up to 40 after you made like $1,000. That's great. I get it. But here's the deal, guys, and this is what is completely unheard of, right? They are doing the commission structure of 40%, but guess what? Anybody else who signs up under that one person, you're going to get paid a commission on them as well, right? So understand this. You do the work one time. You teach your potential customer how to do affiliate marketing or whatever it is, whatever your coaching program is. You teach them on GrooveFunnels. They get signed up. They fall in love with the affiliate marketing business model. They get GrooveFunnels. It works for them. They go out there. They start promoting GrooveFunnels to their audience as an affiliate marketer. Well, because they signed up under your link, now you're getting paid a commission every single month, not only on them because they used their link and they fell in love with the software, but now you're getting paid a monthly commission on everybody that comes in underneath them, right? Which is unheard of in the affiliate marketing space. It's an absolutely crazy opportunity for GrooveFunnels right now. And again, guys, I'm not going to go too long on this video. I wanted to announce that I'm making the change. I'm making the shift. I know I said I probably never would. I still love Russell Brunson. I still love his mission. I love his books. I love everything that guy does. I love the software. But for me, my audience, the people who are identifying with me, who want to learn from me, I understand. I hear you guys loud and clear. You want something that's a little bit less expensive. You want to eliminate some of those monthly costs, and you want to get up and running fast with very, very low expenses. This is the best way I found how to do it. So stick around for the next few videos. I'm going to dive into the platform. I'm going to start learning it. I'm going to share the good things about it, the bad things about it, and I'm going to teach you guys how to use it. I'm going to do all the legwork so that you guys don't have to. But again, I would highly encourage you, whether you're using ClickFunnels right now, whether you're using Builderall, whatever it is, go ahead, hit that link that I've got down in the description of this video and get signed up for your free GrooveFunnels account today. Get in there, start playing around with the software, look at all the benefits that you get from the free account, and then again, you could shoot me questions at any time. Drop your comments down below. I'll get to them, and be on the lookout for that next set of videos. You guys asked for it. Again, I'm doing my best to listen. I'm doing my best to help you. I hear you loud and clear. Let's move forward. I'm learning this new platform. I'm excited for you guys to save some money. That's more money in your pockets in the long term. I'm excited for the new opportunity for you guys to promote GrooveFunnels once you fall in love with it. So It's awesome. Glad you guys tuned in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all that good stuff if you found value in this video. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.